Desktop PC build. Thank you, Sir Rinfret, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. This PC build is an entry-level setup suitable for basic tasks such as web browsing, office work, media consumption, and light workloads. The Athlon 200G is a budget-friendly dual-core processor with integrated Radeon Vega graphics, capable of handling everyday computing but limited for gaming or demanding applications. The BioStar B450 motherboard offers decent upgrade potential, allowing for future CPU and RAM upgrades. The Apacer 256GB 2.5-inch SSD provides a noticeable speed improvement over traditional HDDs, ensuring faster boot times and application loading. However, the storage capacity may be limiting for users who need more space. Your files or games. The Boston case with PSU is a budget-friendly option. Overall, this build is a good choice for budget-conscious users who need a simple and functional system for basic tasks. Desktop PC build is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your desktop PC build too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.